What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are doing a Boxy charm unboxing. This is the Boxy charm base box, but this is also the giveaway video for this month. Obviously this month I feel like it's just gone by so fast. This whole entire year has. We're already midway through November, going into December. Like, it's just ridiculous how quickly we've gone through 2021. Almost been like a blur, but I definitely want to go ahead and dive into this box. For those of you guys that don't know, I do giveaways on my YouTube channel to about once or twice a month. I'm almost close to 600 subscribers. Once I hit 600 subscribers, I'll also do an additional giveaway. I need to announce last month's giveaway. I've been like really lagging on some of that stuff, but I try my best. I always make sure there's always a winner, so even if it takes me a while, just because obviously I want to make sure every entry counts. And that just takes forever, and I've been working a lot, so I apologize. But I should have announced that winner by now before this video has gone up so that we can get into this next giveaway. But yeah, so I unboxed Boxy charm, 2 Boxy charms and 1 Ipsy for the month. So if you haven't seen those videos, I'll link them down below for you or put up some type of card if you guys want to see that. But obviously go over everything that's going to be the giveaway anyways at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this. But before we do that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget the notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is the box for the month of November. This is just the base box. So I've already unboxed my Boxy Premium, my Ipsy Glam Bag X, and now this is the base box. The base box came like almost a week after Boxy Premium, and then my Glam Bag X just got here, and normally they're not this late into the month, which is why these videos are going up so late at the same time too. But just to kind of review, this box is supposed to have like over $120 value, I believe so. And you only pay $20 something this box, $28. I think they upped the price recently. But yeah, we've got this little card in here. It just says invitation only, letting us know that there are some deals going on, some steals and deals. So let's just go ahead and talk about the first item I have right here. This is by Ciate London. It is a Shadow Flip Multi-Chrome Shifting liquid eyeshadow. It says that it is worth $20, and just by the packaging, like, look at that. Whoa, that's legit. That is so cool. I've actually slowly tried to get into these recently, so I'm excited about this one to see how it looks. Like, you can see right there at the bottom, like, that is super pretty. So okay, definitely I would love to see how this would look like on top of like a black base. So we're definitely keeping that for sure. I can go in the back over here, get rid of the unicurtain, don't need the unicurtain. Next item in here is by a brand called AMNH Skincare Whipped Butter. This basically kind of reminds me of how the products from Truly looks like. I have a Truly product. This is just a whipped butter. I have yet to try the whipped butters, so I'm definitely excited to try this one. This is worth $20 as well. So right now we're already at a $40 value. 20 and 20. Then the next item we have in here is by Tresic. So you guys know that I actually really do love this brand. I have this, which is by them, which is like a contour stick, and I really love this. So this is actually a foundation stick. I was actually able to choose my shade, I believe so. I don't remember exactly what the shade name is though. It doesn't say, but this is basically what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a match for me. I hope so. Okay, maybe not. So it's a little bit too dark, so I might need to save that for like the tanner times during like the summer. We'll give it a go then. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my foundation drawer and put that off to the side. Obviously, I'm keeping that one since I went ahead and swatched it. I don't always swatch everything in my videos, for those of you guys that don't know, just because in case I might be giving it away. And obviously this is the giveaway video. The last thing we have, or the 2 last things we have in here, is this Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. So this is what it looks like. It's just a traditional lip oil, but it has some like glitter flakes in it. It says it's Leaping Bunny certified, cruelty-free, 10-free, non-toxic, gluten-free, and it's made without a bunch of stuff. So that's really cool. I don't really need a lip oil right now at the moment, and I'm not really a fond of like the ones that look like glosses at the same time. Well, I guess I do, because I love the one from Morphe. The one from Morphe is amazing. But the price of this item is $18. So, and I forgot to say the Trizique foundation stick was $30. So if we have 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 18 is 88. So there's $88 right there. And then the last item right here is this Glow on 5th Refreshing Reset brightening mask, and this is $30. So if we're at $78 plus $30, it means we have a total value of $118, which is $2 short of what the actual value of this box is supposed to be. But I'm not really mad at it. I would guess those other items were okay. This box, obviously, looking back into it now, really isn't my favorite. Out of all the boxes I've gotten so far, if you guys haven't seen my Ipsy Glamback X box, that box is amazing. This base box was kind of just like a wash to me, honestly. The only item I really liked was the Ciate London one so far. And the foundation stick, I wish it was my shade. I thought I picked the right shade, but apparently I did not. So, but then you have this mud mask. I have so much skincare. I don't need this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway. So yeah, that was everything we got in this base box. So let's just go ahead and get into the giveaway items so we can talk about it and you guys can enter into it. So be right back. Alright, so the items that are going to be in this month's giveaway video, starting off with the products I think I got from the premium box. This is an anti-puffing, anti-dark circle eye brightening serum. So this one's already in its packaging. I didn't ever opened it, so this will be safely sealed. Nothing will break. Then you also have this Girl Lactic Rose Oil Lip Petal Gloss. So there is a lip gloss. For those of you that didn't see it, it's actually really cool. I didn't open it though. I saw it in other people's videos, but this is what it looks like. Super pretty. So there is that. That's by Girl Lactic. Then we have the brightening mud mask that I just showed you guys previously 2 seconds ago, along with the lip oil as well. So yes, there are two lip products in here, a lip gloss and a lip oil. And then the last one, which is obviously the most important one, or the most expensive one, which is in here. This is the PMD Cleansing Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I forget what the actual price is on this. I just had that thing. Okay, let me look it up really quickly. I'm pretty sure it's like 90 something dollars, something in there. Let's figure it out, why don't we? So I don't see it there. Maybe it's back here. Yeah, so the PMD, this tool is worth $99. So it's basically $100. So everything in this box collectively is at a really good value, especially because of this item, which again, this is actually a really great item for washing your face with. So there is that. So that is everything you can get in this month's giveaway. I hope you guys appreciated watching this video. Don't mind me, my voice is going out because I'm tired. But yeah, don't forget to go ahead and look at all the details down below on how to enter this giveaway. The giveaways I do with my subscription boxes are obviously US only. The international giveaways that I do is when I hit 100 tiers, so definitely make sure you guys, if you want me to do an additional giveaway for this month, then obviously go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you are international. I'd love to, get to know you guys. Again, I love that I have subscribers from all over the world, whether you guys are from the UK or from Romania or from South Africa. It's ridiculous to know that I have people from like all over the world that watch my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. It's so kind of you. The really nice comments that you guys leave me all the time. Obviously, I have a lot of people from the US at the same time too. So yes, thank you guys so much. So again, basic details down below. I've tried to make it a lot more easier now, especially since there has been some weirdness when it comes to my giveaways. Making sure that you don't put like your handle in the subscription or in your comment. Just basically just put enter me, and that makes it easy enough, or just a comment about the video, which makes it easy as well. So basically you just have to be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to thumbs up this video, hit that notification bell, and then just leave a comment down below for me to enter you. And then if you win, obviously I'll contact you in that comment. So obviously make sure you pay attention to your notification bell at some point once the giveaway is over, so we can kind of figure out a way for me to contact you. So yeah, that is it. I appreciate you guys for watching this video so much. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl SANDRA D, and I'll see you in the next one.